Hey Trendy Squad, I hope you guys are ready for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this look. I am starting off with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. This is my first time using this primer. I can't wait to see how it works, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Profilt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. My color is 370, and yeah, I'm also going to be using Kylie Jenner. This is gonna be my first time using any Kylie Jenner products, you guys. This is the concealer. I have the color Chai. This was kind of like a little quick figure this out, see if it works kind of ordeal. So we're gonna see if it actually matches me. So this shall be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face real quick. Oh my gosh, you guys, so this primer, I have heard good things about it. Ooh, wow, that feels so good. Ooh, and it's tacky. It's gonna grip onto this foundation, I know it. I've only heard good things about this. So I have the little trial size because I don't want to buy the big one and then find out that I don't like it. Oh, ooh, look at that. Oh, snap, okay. Ooh, it's gonna grip onto my foundation. Okay, so here we go. Profilt'r. So yeah, you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be using so many different products that I haven't used before. So this should be a really fun video. I'm also going to kind of combine this with like a massive review video, of course, because of the fact that I haven't tried these things. So I'll let you guys know what I think of these products. They are pretty hot commodities, so I think that this shall be fun. I'm trying not to look like I have a mask, but at the same time, you guys, I am not trying to get it to the point where like the purple and the foundation are touching each other, because it's gonna be so hard to take it off, and I don't wanna have to like take off the purple and then take off my face at the same time when I'm taking everything off. So yeah. Okay, you guys, time to go in with the Kylie Jenner concealer. So this is my first time using this. I have the color Chai. I'm not too sure if this is my right color, but hopefully the lady matched me properly, so let's see. I don't know if I like the way it smells. It's a little strong. You guys know me. I'm like always talking about the way that things smell, because if it's gonna be on your face or in your hair, you don't wanna walk around smelling bad, or you don't want it like suffocating you all day long. It doesn't have like an odor or anything. It's just kind of like maybe more of like a strong chemical-ish smell. Ooh, don't come for me. Okay, so the foundation is not lifting with this Hydro Grip primer, and the concealer, I don't know if this is a good color for concealer. It's probably would be better for like touch-ups and foundation, kind of, because of the color. It is orangey. I feel like I'm yellow. I think that I'm yellow. It's blending well, and it's pretty tacky. So there's my mini review on the Kylie Jenner concealer. I feel like it gave me a little color. Maybe I just need a different color. It doesn't look too bad, actually. Like, it's gone, it blended well. It's not moving. Okay, good stuff, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the foundation just to kind of prime my eyes for the shadow. Okay, you guys, so what I'm gonna do midway is actually set my face really quick. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter, just a light set. Time for my brows, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia in Caramel. This is what it looks like. Eyebrows are complete. Forgot about my brow setter. So this is the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. I'm going to use that to just go ahead and set my brows in place. Alright, you guys, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the 35V Morphe palette. I'm gonna be using the two purple colors that are right down here. One is called Bad Boy, the other one is called Crush. I'm gonna be using those on my lid in today's look to create a really nice purple array. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use this brush right here. This is the Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use a Bad Boy first. to go ahead and control some of the purple a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and use Cocoa Truffle on the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the sparkly color called Crush. So let's go ahead and just gloss it over the lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my finger in it per usual, and okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Dripping Diamonds on the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm just gonna use this little tiny brush, and I'm just gonna go in so I can add some accent right here. All right, guys, shadow is complete. What are you guys thinking of this look so far? Oh my gosh, very purple glam, in my opinion. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and add even more purple by, I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup Eye Pencil. This one is in Lavender Shimmer. So it actually has a sparkly color to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the lid on the bottom. So I'm gonna basically do the waterline on the bottom. There is the liner. Okay guys, so now I'm trying to decide if I wanna do a black liner on my lid or if I just wanna do lashes. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, so my eyes are complete. Yes, I got the shadow on and my liner. This purple liner is actually really pretty. It doesn't work for a wing though. I just tried it. Not gonna work. But I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. This is gonna be my first time using this too. So this video is a ton of firsts, which is really exciting because, you know, we want to try new things. We're in a new year. I know there's a lot going on, but hey, still try new things and stay true to yourself. So I'm gonna be going ahead and just doing my lashes with this. I'm not gonna be doing any eyeliner on the top because I don't wanna overcrowd the shadow. So let's go ahead and go in with this. Let's see if it's as good as I've been told. Too bad I don't have any purple mascara. This look is cool. This look is fire. Fire. Fire, fire. Okay, you guys, lashes are done. In terms of putting on the mascara, so my 2 cents on this mascara is, well, maybe this is a good thing. I mean, maybe it's not a negative, but basically my 2 cents is that this mascara, it has so much stuff on it, so like my lashes are like clumping together, but clumping with moisture. So basically there's a ton of products, so you just have to make sure you like clean it off on the top so that way you can get it off and then just apply it to your lashes after, because there's a lot going on. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm really liking how the look is coming together. I'm gonna go ahead and use lashes now. I just wanted to go ahead and do that first. I like to do my lashes first and then apply the fake lashes or the falsies, because I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a natural look, so that way you don't lift the lashes to like the extreme when you apply the mascara on after. So that's my little tip. I'm really loving this look so far. I look so purple. Oh my gosh, like I was thinking last night when I was doing the first part of the video, right? I was thinking that I'm like, is there a purple Power Ranger? I'm pretty sure there is. Like, I don't know why I think Power Ranger, but I'll feel like Go-Go Power Ranger. I'm the purple Power Ranger, like, ooh, purple Power Ranger look. Like, Halloween video, boom, bam, done. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be using the Ardelle 853 3D Faux Mink lashes, okay? I've used these lashes before. They work so well. They look so pretty. Look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using Duo as my adhesive. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes off camera. The sun has come out to play, you guys, so it's ready. It's shining for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lashes off camera so you guys can just whoop. All right, you guys, now my lashes are on. Eyes are absolutely complete. Don't they look good? Oh my gosh, this is a fire look. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips now, you guys. So for lips, I actually have the Fenty Beauty. This is brand new. brand spanking new. Ooh. This is the Hot Chocolit Gloss Bomb. So I'm gonna be using that with a Morphe. This is the Makeup Talk color. It's a lip pencil. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be just going to use that to outline my lip. I really want a very muted lip. I don't want it like matte. I just want to do some gloss. So I wanted it to be a little bit more neutral because of all of the drama that's going on my beautiful eyes. There's the liner, you guys. It's like almost like it's not there. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and go in with the chocolate, hot chocolate. Oh, if you guys have not seen this in real life yet, boo, or seen it on anybody's lips in a video, here are mine. Oh my gosh. Who doesn't love Fenty Beauty? And let's not forget the Morphe pencil. I think Morphe is bomb with the dang lip pencils, okay? This looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, who is you, honey? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my highlight to finish up the look, you guys. I'm using the Cover FX. This is a sample size. Look how cute it is. This is in the color Rose Gold. It's supposed to highlight, I think, any skin tone and just kind of give it like a nice highlight. So I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm actually gonna warm it up because I don't know it. I don't know anything about it yet. I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it. What do y'all think? What y'all think? Ooh, it's cute. Okay. So I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. I'm not gonna put too much. Ooh, it is nice. This feels good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't really see too much highlight. Let's use the sun. Anybody seeing it? Where's it at? I don't see it. Let's put it on my nose. I'm gonna put it on my nose. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. You guys, I'm so big on things smelling good. Let me see. Wow, this feels so nice. Okay, I might have to hit up Cover FX. You guys, I've never used Cover FX. I've never used it. I know you don't believe me, right? Or do you guys believe me? Okay, sugar. Sugar honey. Honey baby. Sugar honey baby. I feel like when you look good, man, you be talking yourself up, right? Like when you look nice, you're just like, ooh, you walk back in the mirror, you be like, hey, look at that. You looking good, boo. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just fix my little lashes here. I don't wanna do it too much because I'm noticing the blend. The blend is not on point. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. Oh my gosh, wait, gotta take out the hair. Gotta take out the hair. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Okay, Trendy Squad, I am loving my look. What do you guys think? If you liked today's video and you really enjoyed this glam look, give this video a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I post a new videos, and don't forget to hit the bell that's right next to the subscribe button because you'll actually get notified as soon as I post. So the thing is that everybody doesn't always get notified when I post a video, so in order to do that and get that notification, you have to click the bell and the subscribe button together. So, oh my gosh, I'm your purple bae. That's what this look should be called, purple bae. Yes, I am your purple bae. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Trendy Squad, I'll see you guys in my next video, Trendy Squad. Bye.